Welcome back to Living Foods 365. I'm Ayana, and today we have a very special video for you all with two special guests.
Hi, I am Isabelle, and I'm Maia.
Yes, so I have Maia with me. This is my oldest beautiful daughter here, and this is our beautiful friend Isabelle. And they are going to be making some kid-friendly, child-friendly, plant-based dishes. Girls, what are you making for us today?
Today I will be making a cream cheese dip. You can put all of your favorite fruits in it. I learned this recipe at my school, and today we are going to be veganizing it. So where it can be a healthy recipe for anyone.
Yes, you know, that's my favorite word, veganize. I love to veganize dishes, Isabelle. So thank you for sharing your recipe that you learned at school, and we're going to get right into that. And Maia, what are you making for us today?
So I will be making some Cajun chickpea sweet potato burgers. And you see we have lots of vegetables here, and we have our grains, oats, and seasonings, and so it's going to be really yummy.
And what's the two main ingredients you're using?
Chickpeas and sweet potatoes.
Oh, nice. And I think your sweet potatoes over there steaming?
Yes.
Okay, all right, awesome. So I think what we should do is start with your burgers first, Mai, so we can kind of get those going, and then Isabelle will let us know if we can help her cut up some fruits and things like that. How does that sound, girls?
Yes.
Okay, and so Isabelle, are you ready to do some mixing and chopping of the burgers too?
Yep.
All right.
So what we're going to do first, we're going to chop up all our veggies and our pepper, our tomato, our garlic, and our onion.
Okay, all right.
Isabelle will be doing the garlic for us, and my mom will be cutting the onion and the pepper. My chickpeas in here. These are maybe about 2 cups of cooked chickpeas. Then over here I have my sweet potato. I'm gonna get my sweet potato, about 2 good scoops. I have my chickpeas and my sweet potato in the bowl, and Isabelle's going to ground some oats for us, and she's going to make some oat flour. Awesome. 1 cup of oats.
Looking good, Isabelle, looking good. Perfect.
Smells good.
So I'm just going to put that in there because I don't want to pour it. I'm just going to do a little at a time so it won't get stuffed. Thank you. Okay, so let's pulse. I think that looks good. I'm going to put this, and I'm just going to put it right in there. This looks good, doesn't it, Isabelle? Then I'm just gonna scoop the rest of it in there. Perfect. I'm gonna scoop that right on in there.
Okay, that looks awesome.
This is Cajun seasoning, onion powder, and garlic powder. So I'm just gonna sprinkle this in there. And also smoked paprika, my mom's favorite. And I'm gonna add my breadcrumbs. Okay. And now I'm just gonna stir this all up. It's looking good. We have everything in there. It's very healthy too. You can see all the ingredients that we put in there. No store-bought processed stuff. All natural ingredients, right?
Yep. What do you think? How it looks to you, Isabelle?
It looks good.
Does it look like something you want to try?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna add a little more salt. Okay. So I'm just giving this one more mix. And then I'm going to start making it into patties. Take a little bit. And I'm just going to maybe a little bit more. And form it into a ball. Then just pat it out a little bit. Just like that. And then we're just gonna do the same thing over and over again. And so now Isabelle's gonna show us how to make her fruit dip.
Okay, hi everyone. Today we are going to be making a fruit dip. So let's start with the vegan gourmet cream cheese. You can buy this at Ingles, Walmart, Whole Foods, any place that you see it in. Okay, so let's take my mini spatula and scoop it out into the bowl. Then we're gonna get our agave and just pour it in the bowl with the cream cheese like that. And then when you're done pouring in the agave, you can just start mashing up the cream cheese. Then you can start mixing it like so till it gets thick and you don't see the cream cheese clumps.
So Isabelle, what fruits can I help you chop up?
You can cut up the apples.
Okay.
They're starting to go away. So now you can get your spoon and start mixing it all together.
What are you doing, McKenna? Are you joining us? Or are you just eating up the food?
Yep.
Here's some green apple.
Then we can get our bowl, our small bowl, and just put it into it. Okay, I'm gonna take the red apple and cut it now.
There you go.
I have my burgers. I made some into patties and I started cooking them up and they look really good. So I'm just gonna wait a little while and then I'm going to flip them. Get some blackberries. I also have some blueberries. Just gonna get some more blackberries so I can get all the blueberries.
Now I'm gonna place my strawberries. We forgot the kiwis and the mangoes, so we're gonna start cutting them and peeling them.
And I'm going to peel this mango. This is what I like to do. I just like to peel it.
Maia, can we have blueberries?
Some blueberries or raspberries?
Raspberries.
Mm-hmm. You sure can. The bowl's right there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What you gonna do with that seed, Maya?
Eat it. So we got almost all the proper colors of a rainbow. We got the red, we got the orange, we got lots of green, and we got blue and black. So I'm just gonna see how my burgers are doing. Gonna flip one. They look really good. Okay. Now I'm going to start preparing my toppings. So I'm gonna let McKenna chop. You can chop this half of the tomato. And there's some lettuce right there, Isabelle. So maybe we can get a leaf of that. So I'm probably just gonna, good job, McKenna, thank you. McKenna is going to put the sandwich together for us. So McKenna, can you take the bun off? And then I need you to put the lettuce on. Can you put the lettuce on there, this one? All of it? Thank you. And then can you put the sliced tomatoes on for me? Ooh, maybe 2. We're just gonna put our best burger on there, okay? And can you put some pickles on there? We'll take the burger and we'll put it right there. Put some pickles. You like pickles, McKenna?
Yes.
Yes, I know you do, because pickles are yummy. I'm just gonna put this burger on top, and then can you put that back on there? Ooh, look at that. Yummy sandwich with our Cajun chickpea sweet potato burger. That looks really good.
It does.
Can't wait to taste it. Just gonna cut it in half. Ooh, goodness.
So gooey.
Yeah. And there it is.
I have finished my cream cheese dip, and this is how it turned out. It has the whole rainbow all the way to blue. And I have used kiwi, apples, blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, and mangoes to make my rainbow dip.
Can you tell us one more time what's in the dip again?
What's in the dip is agave and vegan cream cheese.
Agave and vegan cream cheese. Sounds good.
We have finished our dishes, and now it's time to close out the video.
But first, we are going to do a taste test. And we need Malik to come behind the counter and give us a taste test and tell us what he thinks.
Okay, so now it's time for you to try my fruit dip.
All right.
Pick any fruit that you want to try it with.
I think I'm gonna go with strawberry. Oh yeah, it's good. Nice job.
Good.
All right. Oh yeah, it's good. Yes, good job.
Good.
All right.
That is good.
We're gonna close out the video. Make sure you guys make this recipe.
Oh yeah.
It's delicious.
And remember, this apple dip, it doesn't take long to make.
Nope.
It just takes 5 to maybe 10 minutes to make.
And also these burgers, they're really easy to make. I really recommend that you try this recipe at home because it's amazing, it's vegan, it's everything that you can ask for. And one more thing before we close, if you like this video, please comment and like this video and subscribe to the channel. And what we always like to say, healthy habits equals a healthy lifestyle.
Take care.
Bye.
We'll see you in the next one.
Healthy habits equal the healthy lifestyle.
Thank you.